Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a lemon pepper pork loin chops, and these are boneless chops. Once I'm going to make it, you're going to see it, you're gonna fall in love with it. That how do I make it? That I'm going to share with you. I'm going to cook them with the steam, and they're going to be super tasty and super delicious. And what ingredients I'm going to use? Store-bought lemon pepper seasoning. Then homegrown lemons, I'm going to use 2. And the spices I'm going to use for my spice rack. So please check it out, the description below for the ingredient list. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Our pork chops are ready. I washed it with cold water and pat it dry. This is the tray we're going to use it to cook our lemon pepper pork chops. We're going to bring 2 tablespoons lemon pepper. Since the lemon pepper has a lot of salt in there, so please don't add too much salt. You always adjust salt to your taste. Coriander powder, I'm going to bring 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, I'm going to bring 2 teaspoons. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. I'm going to mix it well. Once it's nicely done, we can do this. And put the pork chops just like this. Look at this. And the same thing on this side. On the sides. And I'm going to place it right here. I'm going to start with the second one. Coated. All the pork chops are nicely coated. Just look perfect. Wow, so good. And I'm going to show you how to make perfect pork chops. It's going to be moist, tender, and juicy. All the masala is nicely coated. It looks perfect. I'm going to bring 2 lemons. I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to squeeze it on top. Just like that. Don't discard the lemon skin, we're going to use it. I'm going to lift it and put it on the other side. Each one of them. The way I'm going to cook it, I'll show you. Okay, now we'll get the second lemon and we're going to do the same thing. Perfect. I'm going to let it sit on the countertop for 10 minutes. That's only time we're going to give for the marination. The longer is better. If you want to marinate, then put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. Then they will be more tastier, more moist, and more juicy. But I'm going to give only 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to turn them over. The way I do it, I only marinate for 10 minutes. How do I expedite faster? What I do, get a fork and just poke it at multiple places like that. So what happens? It will soak all the lemon juice and all the flavors gonna go inside. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how we're going to cook it. But you don't have to do it, but if you do it, this is not going to get hurt. Matter of fact, it's gonna bring better taste to your meat, any meat, chicken, pork, regardless, whatever meat, or beef. And this helps for your marination. I'm going to get the tray rack, and what I will do, I'll get the pork chops, I'm going to lay them nicely on top of the rack, just like this. So you're going to place it on the top. And one more. So now I'm going to put this one over the plate, and this all masala. And once I'm going to put this tray, then I'm going to pour that masala on top. I will fill this one with the hot water. Now we're going to go on oven, and I'll show you what is the next step. I'm going to open the oven, and I'll bring the tray just be careful, don't spill it. It's a hot water. So don't worry about all the spices in there. You can put the lemon skin, you can put even orange skin or anything. It's going to give a nice flavor to our pork chops. So as you can see, that's a hot water. I'm going to turn the light on so you can see it. We're going to turn the bake on. We're going to keep it on 500, and I'm going to start it, and we're going to preheat the oven. Once it's going to be 500, then we're going to put the pork chops on top of the tray. Our oven is preheated at 500 degree Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to open it. I'm going to place our pork chops on top of on tray, which is filled with the water. So when we're going to open the oven, be careful. I have my tray ready. When you're going to open it, it's going to be hot, steaming, so just be careful. As fast as possible, I'm going to place right on top of it, just like that. And this is the lemon. I'm going to pour it on top of it. And I'm going to close it. Now it's 11:36. So we're going to give half an hour. So we're going to cook it for half an hour. That means 12:06. I'll be back. Within half an hour, our pork chops will be ready. It's going to be 12:05, another minute. It's going to be half an hour cooking our pork chops. What I'm going to do, I'll open it, just be careful. Since we have the pork chops real big, like 2 inches thick, I'm just going to turn them over, and then I'm going to leave it another 5 minutes. If we look at this moment, I'm going to open it, so just be careful. Wow, look at that, it's steaming hot. And real quick, I'm going to turn them over. Our pork chops, they are fully cooked. Half an hour, perfect. And when it cooks like this, over the water, all the fat, it falls into the water and it cooks really well to the perfection. So we're going to close it. If we look at the time now, it's 12:06, or now it's 12:07. So I'm going to keep it for another 5 minutes. So now we close in. This is how it looks. So I'm going to give 5 minutes and I'm going to turn off the bake and I'm going to put a broil 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to turn off the oven and I'm going to let it sit another 5 minutes before I take it out. Another 5 minutes cooking on a broil. I'm going to turn off the oven. Our pork loin chops, they are really ready. If you want to take it out right now, you can take it out. They are well cooked. So I'll wait for 10 minutes. I waited another 5 minutes. I wanted to wait for 10 minutes, but the kids are saying, "No, Dad, take it out." So I'm taking it out and I'm going to bring my serving platter. Wow, look at these. These are perfect steaks, the pork chops. Wow, look at these. Looking so good. Our quick and easy lemon pepper pork chops. They are ready. And please try it and you're going to like it. This is the most tasty, delicious, tender, juicy pork chops you're going to have it. Look at the pork chops. They are huge, they are big, they are like 2 inches. If I cut through, well, look at this. Wow, that's called juicy. It's mouth-watering. So please follow easy step cooking method and you're going to love it. This is a perfect. Wow, so good. So good. So please try it, and if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day.